Retains Onstar when the factory radio is replaced. Retains factory Bluetooth, 2009 plus model vehicles, factory Bose audio systems, illumination output, parking brake output. Retains rear seat audio controls. Retains all warning chimes, chime module included. Retains backup sensors, park assist, backup camera signal. Replacement interface for select GM vehicles with Onstar, Bose, and GM LAN data bus. Compatible with or without factory amplified audio system 1. Top reviews from the United States. Other than all the wires you have to find a place for, it was easy to hook up and made my Alpine double din work great with no engine noise. A lot simpler to install than it looks. Read the instructions. I just hate the fact I had to get this to replace my radio, but that's GM's fault. PAC seems to do everything it claims.